Going on, good people? Welcome back to Good with Chris. So you know, people been doing it breakfast tomato soup thing. We're gonna make some of that today. I don't even know what it's called. Maybe I'll know by the time I title this video. But we're gonna make that, but we're gonna take it up a notch. Let's do this. Put a little oil over in there. And then we're gonna get some turkey bacon started. Back over this way at our cutting board. I'm gonna get a lot of onions, so I'm gonna use this pretty thing. So we're gonna use 3 cloves of garlic. Oh, wait, y'all see them skills? So keep going while we get our onion done. So I would say this probably equates to like a quarter, maybe a third of an onion. So we're going to dice this whole thing up. So our bacon is done. Get all this out and onto the cutting board. We'll leave those bits in there. We're going to leave the oil that's in there. And we're going to take our tomatoes. Brush them over with. Add some hot steam. Who knew steam was hot? And press that in here. And here at the beginning, we're going in with everything. So we got our garlic and onions going in. First, I'm gonna eat a little bacon. And we're gonna chop it up a little bit. And our bacon is going over in as well right now. It smells so good in here. Here at the beginning, we're going to hit it with the M9 AP seasoning. And I'm going to run outside and grab some basil. So we're about 5 minutes in on this cook time right now. I'll let that keep on going. I could have used one more tomato, but I ain't got none. So right now, I just got 3 leaves of basil. We're just gonna roll it up. And going right over here. Ribbons of basil. Let's keep on pressing these potatoes. I'm sorry, pressing these tomatoes. Pressing through them, breaking them down so it gets spread out. Turn the heat down because I don't need all that liquid evaporating up out of there. Alright, so at this point there's really no more stirring going on here. We got some green onions. And we're just gonna cut them on the bias. That just means cutting them at an angle. Just cut them in one angle like that. Now, we'll start making wells for our eggs. I'm going 6 today. So, make a little well right here. An egg right here. Let's make another well over this way. 6 people in the household, so we're doing 6 eggs over in here. Everybody gonna get one taste of egg. Now, 1 slice of Gouda in the middle. Not everybody wants cheese all the time, so just gonna put that right there. And now we're gonna make it pretty. So I'm gonna add some whole basil leaves over in. I don't want it just for show. I want it to give flavor as well. That's why I'm putting it in while it's still cooking. We're gonna put some of these bias green onions around in here too. What you think? Is that pretty enough for you? I don't know what this big boy gonna do in the middle. I might tear him up. Do some fresh torn basil. I'm covered, and we're gonna let the baby cook about 7 to 8 minutes. Forgot one thing. You gotta season the eggs. So we're gonna use the M9 steak seasoning over top of everything. We're gonna make sure the eggs get seasoned. And you could throw some in other places as well. Alright, it's time for the reveal. I ain't gonna lie, I left it cooking about 10 minutes or so because I want to make sure them yolks are done. Like I said, I want to play that. So let's see. Yep, nice solid yolk. Sorry to disappoint anybody who disappointed by me not having it running. I can't do it, man. Not even for y'all. But what I can do is plate it up for you. So I could reach in there and sop it up like folks be doing. But I'm doing mine on top of some toast. We're going to go a little elegant with it. I'm going to get mine. And fire. My extra tomatoes. And I want me some cheese, so I'm gonna get some cheese out the center here. I let it go too long waiting on that egg to cook. This is the goodness we've been working for. So let's get a little cut here. Look at that. You got the cheese going on. All that goodness over in there. Let's see, can I pick it in the bite? Oh my God. That's a lot of flavor. Ooh, a lot of flavor early in the morning. Y'all enjoy that. And it's the sweetness of the tomato with the seasoning, that's a great combination. Let's get that out of there.